Why are we so busy but get so little done? Why do we work like crazy, come home exhausted, and do it day after day? Why does our to-do list today look exactly like our to-do list from yesterday? Why do we stress out about work even when we're not working? And why do we have so many emails that take us away from what matters and that we can never keep up on? Your answer might be because that's normal, Brandon, but is it really? Or have we just confused what everyone does with being normal? 70% of Americans are overweight. Does that make it normal? Most people can't turn off their phone and just sit without their mind panicking like a wild beast. Does that make it normal? And everyone is so busy but getting so little done. Does that make it normal? The answer is no, but we act like it is because we bought into three monster myths. Three myths that we've accepted as normal, that are sabotaging any chance you have of getting more done and getting closer to your dreams. Bust these and you're already well on your way to becoming an insider. Let's start with the first myth now.